The People's National Party's shadow cabinet has been revised. Senator Damian Crawford is taking over as the new spokesperson on education. Senator Crawford will now cover education, training and competitiveness, taking over from Dr. Angela Brown Burke, who has been sent to Labour and Social Security. Philip Paulwell is returning as leader of opposition business in the House of Representatives, replacing Anthony Hilton. Senator Donna Scott Motley has kept her justice portfolio, to which she will now join information. Her deputy is former Member of Parliament Raymond Price. Economist Dr. Andre Horton and Patricia Duncan Sutherland, losers in the last national polls, complete the trio of deputy spokespersons. Anthony Hilton and Donna Scott Motley are the representatives from the opposition on the government's Constitutional Reform Committee. Here's a full list of the revised shadow cabinet.